आणि आमी ना सीएमाको मोर्चा ना आंदोलन ना तेको हे केस्तां करनाय आमगे हे ऑगबॉट बसनाय नो सीएम के नॉट टेल वन्स
My name is Dixon Walls. We have come to support Gina. This morning, she have just called us and said, "I am going to the Chief Minister's house and I'm going to sit down over there." And we rushed to support her. And it is her solid decision, and we support her 100% because we are tired of listening, getting assurance from everybody that government is working on it. Prime Minister office is aware about this. Nothing has happened. Our seafarers are dying. We lost 4 lives. We have lost 4 lives and there are few in the hospital. So how long this will continue? Lockdown doesn't mean that people should be left hungry without water and food. Lockdown means people should be inside the cabin without any water, without anything. I mean, what is the lockdown means? Today you see people, thousands of people came in Bandra. They are hungry. There is no food. Yes, we are with the government to support a lockdown, but this is another way of killing the people.
Don't you think that these seafarers supposing they will effect that?
There is no effect. There is no effect. Every seafarers are not virus carriers. This is the wrong message portrayed by the government. The health minister himself, he is not ready. The people who are bringing the economy up for this country, for this state, the seafarers who are working without asking a government job, their voices are not been heard. Why we should worry? Who is sick? There is nobody sick there.
Okay, if they are not sick also, if they are coming here, they will quarantine for 14 days.
See, the seafarers have already finished their quarantine period. 20 days they are already quarantined on the ship. They got certification. The chief minister said yesterday very clearly, Baba, whoever is coming to the state will have to come with a COVID certificate, right? He said they will come with a certificate. They are not sick. There is no question of somebody is sick on the ship. It is just the perception. The government have not reached to the seafarers. The embassies have not done the job. It's complete. This was a story 15-20 days ago. Now the ships are without a guest almost 25 days ago. So they are in each single room just waiting to go out.
So now every seafarer family is coming here to support.
Well, we are doing our part. We did our part. So hopefully this message will go across. And before the situation gets out of control, I think the message we should get an assurance that no more assurance. We just want to know what has been done. That she is not only talking, but without any initiative, she has come here to show her support.
कॅप्टन वेन्झी वेगस जे भाशेन आम हो फॉलो अप करीत आहे नाव द मेसेज इज व्हेरी क्लियर बिकॉज देर इज अ बिग कन्फ्युजन अमंग द पीपल की सी फेरर जर हाडले जाल्यार लोक दुयेंत जातलो सी वी नीड टू अंडरस्टँड द डिफरन्स बिटवीन अ सी फेरर एंड द डिफरन्स बिटवीन ऑल अदर इंडियन्स स्ट्रँडेड in Dubai, in Kuwait, on shore. There is a big difference. समज आजरानी लाखा लोक केरलाचो गोंयचो समज दुबय आहाय the difference कित तेंका difference is they are being taken care by a particular government in that particular country. Seafarer boatir आसता, the ship is at sea, which means that there is no directly implication of anyone. जे जाग्यार बोट आसता ते जाग्यार दुयेंत जाल जाल्यार त्या मनशाक the nearest shore thing facility which पडटा and if they refuse then your life is at threat. So the best thing is they have to come home. And who is responsible in this situation? Pandemic म्हणलं कितें इन्फेक्टेड म्हूण आसता आनी एफेक्टेड म्हूण आसता न्हू. वी कॅनॉट मिक्स एवरीथींग. एक म्हणून इन्फेक्टेड आसता आनी एफेक्टेड आसता. डिफरन्स हॅज टू बी व्हेरी क्लियर. वी कॅनॉट बी लायक अनएड्युकेटेड पीपल. आवर एड्युकेशन सिस्टम, आवर हेल्थ सिस्टम इज व्हेरी क्लियर. सो वी नो भुरग्यां हाडटाय जाल्यार तुमच्यान एक कॉरिडोर करपा जाता. आज आखी इंडस्ट्री मागत
So
आहे.
what your course of action, next further action what you are taking?
We have done various things. Now we have gone to the international level. We have also prepared a plan. Now we are going to we have already submitted to the International Chamber of Shipping, because at this level where the Chief Minister is there, where the Indian government is there, we have done a lot of things, but it is not happening. So now we are heading to the international level. We are trying to see what support they can put in order to keep our boys safe out there at sea into this time.
सौदा सर सर हांव एक म्हणटा हय 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 ओके हय The CM is saying ki
Who is saying?
CM
Oh.
okay Pramod Sawant he's saying that आम एंथनी को हुई प्रोसिजर कितकोले हांवें आज टिल डेट तें तुका सगळें दाखयत हुंय म्हाका सांगत तो सगळें दाखयत हुंय की एंथनीन कित कोला NRI डिपार्टमेंट आहा मस्त तो सो तेण कित कोला कित ना तें तुका दाखयत हुंय तुका दिसत हुंय आम काळीज ना आम कितें ना सो तुका तेका लागून सांगत हुंय आपल्यागे कोण हुंय इश्ट कित हुंय वेंटिलेटराचेर आहा लंडन सो इट्स नॉट डॅट की तेगे भुरगीं आहाय हुंय इट्स नॉट डॅट की म्हज्यान हाल्या परां तेका काडूं जाता तेच कोण डिसिजन ना हुंय म्हाका सांगता आनी तर तेण कित कोलो आहा एंथनीन आमी प्रोसिजर कित कोलो आहा लोकांगे सोड म्हणटा आम कित प्रोसिजर टील डेट कोलो आहा तो दाखयतलो आनी हाल्या येन तूं म्हाका मेळ म्हणपा लागलो आनी हे हांगा स्ट्रायकान कांय जाचना म्हणपा लागलो तो ओके सो इवन आस्किंग हिम डिसिजन ही सेइंग द सेम थिंग की एंथनी मेळ तो दाखयतलो खंय पावल म्हण ते सो आय थिंक इवन डिक्सन वेन्झी हॅव फॉलोड दिस अप की हें हूंय पावलां हूंय पावल ना कित जाल ना तें ऑलरेडी फॉलो अप कोलो आहा बट वॉट इज दी आउटकम तो आजून ते आउटकम सांगपाक रेडी ना तो फकत म्हाका सांगता आपण हाल मेट हूंय तूं आज सद्या एंथनी को कित जालो आहा चोय आमगे प्रोसिजर तें चोय हूंय आनी मागीर तूं हाल आपल्या मेड हूंय
So what your
this
decision?
hunger strike he said.
So what your decision?
My decision is I don't want to leave my hunger strike because this is not done. CM is talking from somewhere else where we also don't know. Okay? So face to face medpa teko naka what I don't know, but he said he'll meet tomorrow. But at Anthony, who's coming in the entire NRI department, okay? Even he's going to show us like what he has formed. So we'll also see, like let Dixon, like Wenzi also see, so that even they also can follow up. Let them see also what he has done. If he's saying so much assurance that he has done till date for them to get, so let's see. And he's telling that tomorrow to meet us up. So we'll wait till he comes.
Okay, tomorrow till you are waiting here only.
Yeah, I'll wait for it.
And you are doing hunger strike continue.
Yes.
म्हाका एककी पाट म्हूण दाखय म्हूण
आणि आम्ही जीत आसन पासून आमगे जीत आहाय आमगेले तरी पासून हाडूं जायना जीत आल्लो आज ती शहराला लागून आम झगडपा नाही बायलो झगडपा नाही तेंगे गांवांगे बायलो झगडपा नाही जाल्यार तूं म्हाका सांग ते मॅन मोठी तेंगे
डॅडी घेतलो येतलो म्हगेलो कित जबाब
सीएम म्हाका 1.5 म्हयनो आसलो 1.5 म्हयनो वेस्ट कोला आज 7 दीस
आज काय करूं ना?
7 दीस वेस्ट कोता कोण
वयताय.
आम कितू
भायर
कोण
वयताय सगळे वयताय कित्या लागोयताय सगळे पोटा लागोयताय
आसतली वकोला भुरगो मेला कळना तेगे फामिलानी तेगे 4 भुरगीं आहाय आज ते रस्त्याचे आहाय कोण त्याची जबाबदारी घेता
तेगे बायल मुता एक पाट मोरोन थंयच्या दी मुता गोवागे तोंड
आणि आमगे गोवागे हात मोरोन
आतां तेमी भुरग्यांक सांगिलां